Oh, hi guys, it's me again, Reese Williams, and I'm here to show you how to make the paper crane or tsuru. You can make the flapping version or the non-flapping version. I've got a flapping version here, and it's pretty cool. So all you need is a square sheet paper. I've cut this one out of printer paper, and there's a fold a diagonal line down the middle. You can use origami paper if you really want. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to fold it in half diagonally the other way. You have to make really good creases on this because it will come in handy when we have to do the petal fold later. And then, so you have an X on your paper. Make very good creases, run your fingernail on it. Like that, if you want to be really neat. And then you fold it in half, like this way, like this. Oh, I'm sorry about my Ninja Star tutorials. They might be a bit faster than the pictures might go a bit faster than the actual speaking. So I'm sorry about that. If you're puzzled, that's it. Sorry about that, my computer keeps going cloudy and dark. So you should have your star in the middle, so you have that. And then this is a bit more difficult, so you fold it in half. You get a sandwich. And these lines here, so you do this, and then you tuck this down like this, so you get this, and there's a little thing in there, and you do the same with the other side. So tuck that in there, get nice and even, and you should have a diamond shape by the end of it, just like I have here. Then you need to fold the first layer up so it reaches the centre. Sorry about my lamp. So it reaches the centre like that. And then you do the same with the other side. The first layer. Just the first layer only. Don't use both layers, because you're going to do the same on the other side. So you flip it over, fold them up to the centre. And when you're done, guess what you got to do now? Unfold them again. Remember to make really good creases on these. Lift up the... Now this is the petal fold bit. I'm going to go through as much detail as I can. So you lift up the first layer, and these will start to tuck inwards. If not, just reinforce them so the triangles fit on with the triangle creases on your paper. So there's one tucked in like that. Then you do the same with this flap here. It's a bit similar to opening a pocket. And it might not be very neat, but you just got to flatten it down and you something like this. Then you do the same on the other side, unfortunately. So you can just reinforce the paper if it doesn't quite do it. And then you should have a kite and two kind of like petal structures, and you should fold these two petal structures up So you have a diamond. Now this structure is known as the bird base. The top should be solid, two halves like that, and the bottom should be able to come apart like with two little leg type of things. Now it gets a bit easier. So you hold your bird base sideways and you open it up. Hello. Don't want to come right now. And then you have to fold this bit up as far as it'll go and make a good crease. And then you have to fold it back in half again. So you have that. Then you fold it out a bit until you're happy. It can be whatever angle you like. And then you have a model like this. Do the same with the other side. So fold it up as far as it will go. And it's nearly done. And then you've got to make the head. So take one side and push that down like that. And then you've got to collapse it into the neck like I've done here. And pinch. And there you have it. Just fold the wings down. And this is your normal origami crane if you want it to stand up. These bottom bits here can fold outward so you can stand it up. And there you have your origami standing crane. Now, if you want a flapping one, because this one doesn't flap, well, it does, sort of. Like that. But if you want to make a original flapping one, you just angle the wings forward like that until you're happy. Keep testing them, and then you can round your wings off if you like I'm going to do. And if you'd like to turn it into an eagle, origami eagle, then you see your beak that you have here? You just crimp fold that again. So what you do is you bend it round, and then you pinch like that. And there you have your origami customized bird. Tweet, tweet. Okay, 2 seconds. I'm just going to get the smallest crane in the world. Here it is. The tiniest flapping bird. Like that. I made this when I was doing my play. When I wasn't needed. Lovely little bird. Okay, that's all I have for you for now. Hope you have a great Easter holiday. Please give me nice feedback and please subscribe. I would really, really like it. Okay, thank you. Bye.